The law offices of Spar Bernstein with two locations in New York, 2901 White Plains Road in the Bronx and 225 Broadway in Manhattan. Call now to make appointments at 1-800-LAW. Brad, they enjoyed the program, man.
Right.
Because
yeah,
of
my
those-
wife called me. All right. The knuckleheads at the power company shut my electricity off because they claim I didn't pay them, but I know I did because the
you
check
sure?
was mailed. I know I did because I just even checked while I was taking that call on my
But-
online at the bank,
but-
and the check cleared.
But
Yes, and they still shut my electricity off.
are you sure they got the check? That's the problem.
It check cleared. Yes, it's on. I went on the computer.
No. It doesn't matter if the check cleared. Did they?
So So you think someone stole my check?
Maybe.
No.
Come on, man. Technology
Didn't happen.
nowadays, man.
Nah, it didn't happen.
You think so?
They're knuckleheads there, and so my wife is
Is it the
yelling at
first?
me. My wife is yelling at me that I didn't pay the bill. I said, of course I paid the bill. I paid it 2 weeks ago. And I just looked on the computer and the check cleared. So as soon as I get off the radio, I got to call LIPA and yell at them.
Not a good thing, man. That's embarrassing.
Yeah, it is embarrassing.
Yeah.
And now the whole world knows that I didn't pay my electric bill.
Because you decided to share that. we
You
didn't
see,
say
you see, everyone thinks that it's only their problem, right?
it's everybody's problem.
It's everyone's
we
problem.
all have issues, man.
That's right.
You know, but you decided to share that with us.
Yes.
You're such a loving person, man. Immigration Link.
Hello, good afternoon, Mr. Bradley.
Yeah.
Brad, I have a question for you.
Yes.
I filed two form I-260 and I-571. Hold on one second, let me turn the radio down.
What did you say?
I filed two petitions, I-360 and a I-571. The I-360 has been approved, but I haven't heard anything on the I-751. What's the status? What do I have to do right now?
Well, those are two different applications. The I-360 you filed for as a special immigrant, and the I-751 is to remove the conditions of your permanent residence. So what do you got going?
The permanent resident card was, I filed it late. So I ended up filing the two forms. I had the two petitions going at the same time. But the I-360 has been approved.
But if you got a receipt back on the I-751 and they extended your green card, then you're back in legal status as a green card holder until they make a decision on your I-751. So I would do nothing right now. If your I-751 gets approved, then you're a permanent green card holder and you're done. If the I-751 gets denied, then you file a new adjustment based on the I-360.
Okay, so now I have to just wait on the I-751.
751. Right. If it's approved, you're done. If it's not approved, then you do the adjustment on the I-360.
Okay.
All right?
All right, thank you.
All right. Still inside the Immigration Link right here on Linkup Radio, 93.5 FM WVIP, DJ Sean Brad Bernstein. And he's live and direct on a Wednesday, 24 minutes past the hour of noon before we link up with Hot Link, Barber Gludan. All right, Brad, let's take some more calls. And don't forget, folks, you can reach out to the law offices of Spar Bernstein at 1-800-LAW-LINK. That's 1-800-529-5465 to make your appointments and set up those consultations. And you're live on the air.
Hi, Brad. Good afternoon.
Yes.
I'm calling on behalf of a friend. I want to know about our mother filed for her 2003, March 2003. And she's here in the country now. She wondering if she can change her status.
It depends on how the mother got her green card.
That I don't know about that part.
Yeah, because you got to prove that you had something filed before April 30th, 2001 to adjust your status here. So the 2003 case may entitle her to a green card, but it doesn't entitle her to get her green card here in America. So many times how the mother got her green card, that daughter would have been a derivative beneficiary if the application was filed before the daughter was 21, and then you can grandfather her in. So a lot depends on how the mom got her green card or if the daughter had some other application filed before April 30th, 2001. So things that need to be found out, you could always call the 1-800 number, 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-LAW-LINK, and you can
Make that appointment.
make that appointment.
All right, so we advise you to do so.
Okay,
For your
thank
friend.
you. Keep up the good work, big man.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. A lot of compliments today, Brad.
Yeah, so
man.
why would anybody
Uh-huh.
say anything not nice? We get on the air and we give free advice and we give good advice,
You never know, man. You have a few knuckleheads out there
right?
who disagrees on what we're saying. So We just
their
keep it
problem.
positive and
You know
keep
what?
it moving.
You know what?
Yes,
That's their problem.
that's their issue.
Majority, exactly. A majority
Work with
of
it,
the people.
live with it.
I would assume that a majority of the listeners are happy with our program.
They better be.
If they can't be, how could they not be?
We give the most music and the most talk.
Yeah, but we give them the most information.
That's
Good
right.
information. Free
Of
information.
course. Very, 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 very informative. Right here, man.
Yes.
Immigration Link.
Hi, good afternoon, guys.
Good afternoon.
Great program, man. I live in Atlanta, but a friend of mine from New York told me about the program, so I only listen about a week now. But I have a question for Brad.
Yeah.
Brad, I've been in the U.S. for like 6 years, since 2002 actually, and I am undocumented. I recently met a girl from Australia, and we got married. She's filing my papers for me in Australia, but they're requiring me get an FBI clearance or something like that.
Right.
How do I go about getting that, and can you do that for me?
Yeah. Didn't you once call with that question before?
No.
Okay, because somebody else called with that same question, I think, a week or two ago.
Okay.
Yeah, you get a fingerprint card. Have you ever been arrested for any reason?
Not in the U.S.
Okay, fine. You go get a fingerprint card. I'm sure there are private companies in Atlanta, Georgia that do it. If not, there's certainly private companies in New York that do it, but I'm sure in every city there are private companies where someone can take your fingerprints. And you take the fingerprint card and you get an $18 money order and you mail it off to the FBI, and 2 months later they send you back an FBI police clearance. If you need help in doing it, call 1-800-LAW-LINK. That's 1-800-529-5465, and we can do that for you.
Say that. Give me that number again, please, Brad.
1-800-529-5465.
5465, right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, because I do not really want to do it on my own because I don't want to mess it up, to be honest with you. Because I'm not sure. So I want to do the right way because
Fine. Well, the right way is to hire an attorney who knows what they're doing.
That's what I'm saying. Anyway,
Okay.
Guys, I've been listening to you guys for a week, and you guys, great information. Thank you very much. I'll continue listening once I have the time. Once I'm home on the internet, I'll
Fantastic.
listen to you guys.
That's
All
right.
right, when you
man.
get to Australia, spread the word about us.
All
Oh,
right.
definitely. Thank you.
And don't forget, www.reggaeradiostation.com.
Right.
All right.
All right, thanks a lot, man.
All right, no
Right.
problem. Still inside the Immigration Link right here on Linkup Radio, 93.5 FM, and that concludes the Immigration Link for right now. And we'll come back tomorrow, same time, same station, same dial. All right, and don't forget, reach out to the law offices of Spar Bernstein, 1-800-LAW-LINK. That's 1-800-529-5465. And don't forget the law offices of Spar and Bernstein, a full-service law firm. Immigration, of course, personal injury with Gary Sunshine, criminal defense with Michael Biniakwitz, and family law and matrimonial issues, Adam Handler. One easy number, 1-800-LAW-LINK. That's 1-800-529-5465. And also you can log on to 1-800-LAWLINK.com and number 4 immigration.com. What else, Brad?
That is it.
That is it. All right, man. So we'll catch you tomorrow right
Aha!
here. Huh?
I just got an email from my wife. It was not LIPA. It's not because I didn't pay my bill, because I said it's impossible. I know I paid the bill 2 weeks ago. It's power's out on the whole block. She called me up screaming at me I didn't pay the bill.
Without double checking and verifying everything, right?
That's right.
Brad, you didn't pay the bill again. All right, Brad, man. We'll catch you tomorrow, all right,
take
man?
care.
Now you can breathe, relax.
Now I can breathe easily,
eat
right?
your lunch and
Yes.
get back and hum Immigration Link, all right?
Right.
All
Take care.
Man. Take care, all right.